channel. Today we're going to be doing a Walgreens haul using all digital coupons for the week of April 3rd. And this is going to be a ship to home order. As long as you spend $35 or more, you can have your order shipped directly to your house from Walgreens. So let's get into this transaction. As you can see, this is my total that I paid for this order, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of showing you exactly what coupons I use and what items did I choose. So the first one is going to be Dove body wash. Walgreens has Dove on sale for buy one get one half price, and there is a $2 digital coupon. Here's that coupon. So I selected the Dove body wash, buy one get one free, added 2 of those items to my cart, and used this coupon. And as you can see below, it shows you the coupon that actually goes with that particular item. And here are the 2 items I chose. One is $8.79 and the other one with 50% off is $4.39. Okay, and the next item that I chose was Scott paper towel. Walgreens has a digital coupon for Scott tissue and Scott paper towel this week. It is a Walgreens coupon. The price is $5, but with the coupon you get $1.25 off of each one, and it is a Walgreens coupon. Okay, so everyone, just take a moment and subscribe and click the like button on this video. Okay, so as you can see, I selected to get 3 of the Scott tissue and 2 of the Scott paper towel, and that's the coupon that I used, $1 off of 25. So my next item is going to be the Crest mouthwash, and I used the $5 off of 3. Walgreens this week had the scope on sale for, I think it was $4, and when you bought 3, you got a $5 coupon or registered reward back for when you bought 3. So I selected 3 of the mouthwash. They came out to $12. And here's my breakdown. So the 2 Dove was $2 off of 2, $1.25 off each Scott, and then $5 off of the 3 Crest mouthwash. So those are the coupons that I chose. My items came to $50.18. After all coupons came off, the $6.25 for the Scott paper towel, and then $7 for the $2 Dove and the $5 Crest. We see, as you can see, all of those came off, and it made my total $36.93. And then I also use a Walgreens coupon where when you spend $22, you got $7 back, $6 back. I'm sorry, $6 back. So as you can see in the registered reward area, I got $11.50 back off of this order. And that is the $6 when you spend $22, as well as the $5 from getting the Crest. So this shows my total savings. Sale items plus coupons and promotions came to $36.93. And I'm getting back $11.50 off of that total. So, okay, so to reduce my out-of-pocket, I'm going to use some Walgreens cash rewards. And as you can see, I have $23.19 available. So I'm going to go ahead and use $20 just to reduce my out-of-pocket. So I'm going to add those $20 to my total, which is going to bring my out-of-pocket down to $20.44. But I am still going to get the $11.50 back for the 2 rewards that I'm using, which was the $6 back when you spend $22, and here is that coupon, as well as the Crest promotion, which was when you buy 3, you get $5 back in-store rewards as well. So that's how I got the $11 back in registered rewards, and you'll see the $11.50. And this is going to be my second transaction that I did, which was the Nasal spray, which was on sale for $36.99. There was a $10 off coupon as well as this promotion where you got $5 off when you spent $25. And I also had a second coupon where I got $6 back when I spent $22. So this is my total for the 240 sprays of the Nasal which came out to about 6 cents a spray. So let's look at that breakdown again. So the Nasal was $36.99. I used the 5 off for $25 with the code RELIEF5. This was a pickup order as well. And then I used $5 in rewards cash as well as a $10 off coupon. My total came to $19.55, and I still got the $6 back in register rewards. This was a really good transaction for me. I hope that you enjoy the video. Do me a favor, please comment, subscribe, and click that thumbs up and come back for more videos.